Hello guys, Mehul back in with another new video, and today I gonna show you a really different thing. Okay, so there are times in past when I have showed you like how to retweet, not retweet, like repost your tweet into other platforms using poet.so because that makes it really great. That looks really great. And recently, few days ago, I showed you another platform which is basically most of it basically is under the price bracket. Okay, that is kept under the price bracket, so that's a thing. But yeah, poet.so is totally free. Now here's the thing. With poet.so, you can create static image images or image file format, jpg, png. But the tool that I have today, you can create html of your favorite tweets, or of any of the tweets. Okay, and then you can reuse the code into any of your project maybe. Okay, but you will get html over here. That's what make it really different. Okay, different. And it, it's really there's a wow factor. Okay, now obviously this is not for regular use, regular reposting use to multiple platforms, but this is specifically for when you are developing your website. Or maybe it would be great if you are developing your website and like portfolio, and if you want to keep a testimonial section where you'd like to show all of those testimonial tweets, so you can post them in here. That would look great. But there's a drawback for sure of it. I will show that to you uh, on the video when we're gonna talk about that platform. So without further ado, let's just get started and see what we have. Okay, so here is our Tuji's platform, that is Tweetic, and obviously convert tweets into static image HTML. I think they have take this IC from static and made it Tweetic. Really great in terms of naming. And as you can see, here are some of the examples of it. Now, one thing you will notice, none of the none of the tweets have any pictures. If I say about this, like this is a link, okay, and this is the OG of the link, okay. Something like this isn't appearing over here, nor a picture, okay, and neither a thread, like not thread, like quote retweet like this. Nothing like that is appearing over here. That's the single drawback of it. But rather than that, it's really great. The platform is really great. You can obviously add those pictures later on. That is totally in your hand. They have provided API access as well. That is, I think, a really thoughtful thing to add, because obviously you can add it in many different ways, but use it wisely. Don't misuse it. Okay, and if I click on create, I have already like pasted some of the links from my Twitter profile. So those are basically uh, this link and this link and this link. Okay, I have pasted all of those tweets over here, and as you can see, it will give you a preview of the tweets, how it will look like in your browser. Okay, like in your code when you gonna paste it, you have the option to choose from a default style and a superbase style. That I really love about, because I really like this superbase styling rather than default styling. And this default styling we will get anywhere else, like whatever you use, maybe poet.so or maybe other platform, like, yeah, right, yeah, whatever. Like, if you use poet.so, you will get this kind of styling. But rather than that, I really like this superbase kind of style. It makes it more compact and look great. And you get the option to choose from default css and tailwind css. That is really thoughtful of them to do, to be honest. Okay, And here, as you can see, you are not getting those pictures over here, that is for sure. Okay, so we can't do anything about that. Later on you can add it in here anyways, so that's not a problem. But one thing you will notice, it is creating a kind of mason grid in here. Okay, when you are using this super base format, let me add some more to it to fill it up actually. Okay, so suppose let's copy it, and as you can see, you can add multiple tweets over here. That looks really great. Let's copy it, add it again, copy another from Naval, add another one. Okay, all of those are here. Why, I don't know why, but they should have arranged it. Okay, let's add something big because it's not happening. Copy this and add it over here. Let's see. See. It's added over here. So yeah, it really needs some content that it can balance, to be honest. And maybe we can add something else. Okay, let's add this. Yeah, we needed a big post. Yeah, now it's filling up. Okay, so basically you get the idea how it's arranging all of those things, right? So if I like just delete this, it will be okay. Oh wait, let me just delete this one. Okay, it changed its format again. Oh, whatever, you are getting the point of it, right? How it will look like in the end. And to be honest, what I would suggest is uh have the have have the what have one, yeah, have the css or like whatever of one tweet, and like a particular single individual tweets. Styling will be same, but content will be different. Copy the styling once and use it for every other tweet cards that you are getting, and arrange it in your own specific way, whatever you may like, because obviously you can do everything with it, right? Like you can put it into scroll bar, maybe. Like scroll means, I mean, the what that thing, swiper, yeah, you can put it in swiper, that means carousel. Or you can make a great scroll up transition if you like. Okay, so that you can do. And if I like, let me copy the default css to try it out in code pen. Okay, let's create one here and let's paste it. See, that looks neat, right? It's really great looking Twitter cards that you are getting from here, and really useful app. Yeah, this is kind of a web app that you are getting over here. I really liked it. Like really, I will be using it for obviously a lots of cases from now on. I will suggest others to use it as well. Like one of the app recently that I am seeing right now, web app that I am seeing recently discovered, that I am really liking a lot. Like it's really simple. Like it does one job, and it does it in the like most possible simplest and best way ever. Okay, so I really like that about it. I'm going to use it for sure. So yeah, that's about it about this video. Use it, because if you not gonna, I will obviously. And I'm loving it. And Rather than that, if you know some of the great wave apps like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below so I can feature them in my future videos. And if you like this video or like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment down below how you're liking it or not. Okay, so that's it. Bye.